Wankara not to say wo obiara ni o ohini yebeyi wayo yebema wosoda. Hello lovely viewers, this is your girl Eveeee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it, right? So today, as you can see, I am sharing with you how I made this luxurious pig feet or Nane stew. Okay, so let's get started. To begin with, I have my ingredients. I have neatly prepped, so I'm going to list all in the description box so you check it out. But for my fresh tomatoes, I'll be using this canned tomatoes. Okay, and then this is the boss of the day. That is my pig feet or Nane. I'll be sharing with you how I made my own Nane at home. Okay, so I'm going to boil the Nane for it to be very soft and also get all the salt out of it. So this is my pressure cooker. I add some water, some scallions, that's the white bits, and some negro pepper, and then put it to a boil. So in my blender, I blend my tomatoes, my peppers, onions, and all that so I can get my fresh tomato base. So now I am beginning with my stew. I have preheated my pot, so I added some mise en place to it, and then now my onions. Then I add my blended tomato base, and it is full with flavor and goodness. Okay, so what you do is you need to cook this first for it to be well cooked before you add the tomato puree to it. So you can see my Nane or pig feet is doing great here. Yeah, so this recipe is for the pork lovers. Okay, so I'm going to drain all this water away and then add fresh water. And then this is my dawadawa, so I'll add some little mise en place, but please no adding of salt to it because our pig feet is already salted. So I cover it for it to boil for an extra 10 minutes so it can engulf the seasoning. And look at our tomato stew is doing superb. So make sure your fresh tomato is well fried or well cooked so it doesn't bite your tongue. As in Rebecca said, na anka. There are some tomato stew when you taste it, it immediately bites your tongue. No with this recipe. So you can see at this moment my tomato stew is well cooked. So I add my tomato puree or tin tomato. So stir gradually for it to incorporate into each other, and then we cover it and allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Wash it. The aroma coming out from this stew, friends and family, you really need to try it. So at this point I add my curry powder, dawadawa powder, and my adobo. So these are the only seasoning I'll be using here. So this is the broth from the latter part of the pig feet. Yes, so this has very less salt, so I add it to my stew. And Nane deno. Yes, please note we are not adding any other seasoning or salt to our stew. Okay, so my love for pig feet stew, I prepared this stew and then I enjoy it with kenkey, rice or yam. So at this point I have added my pig feet to it and it is boiling gloriously. So I added some green peppers and some onion for garnishing. And wash. I know you are craving for this. I know you love it. I know you want to try it. Pig has less fats, especially when you are eating the feet. Now add the papa, especially the bone. Oh my goodness, the pork lovers, they know what I am talking about. So I'll be sharing with you another video how I make my own nani at home. So just look at our gravy or our stew, doing amazingly beautiful here. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys, especially my returning subscribers and viewers. Oh my god, you people are great. Thank you. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Wash. Yes, stew na ye akono say. Yes, so I am going to enjoy with some soft kenkey. Yes, so please, you are invited. Yes, so enough with the chicken stew. Sometimes we need to enjoy some pork or pig feet stew. So see you in our next video. You can see my kenkey is very soft, so I am taking the lead. Okay, so kindly bring this.